Hey guys, welcome to another bit of A-level fun. In this video we're in the algebra playlist and we are looking at expanding brackets. So things are about to get incredibly algebraic. So we're going to do 7 questions which you can see here if you want to have a go first of all. So there are the first 4 and then there's 5, 6 and 7. So we're going to go through each of these. As I said, things are about to get incredibly algebraic. Take your time, don't rush, use a table or use whatever method you prefer to use. I would recommend having a go at each one and then check another video to see how you go on. Okay, let's get cracking. So, question 1, we want to expand a plus b squared. So remember this is saying a plus b times a plus b. I like that. So we could use a table. So we put an a and a b down the side and across the top like that. A times a then is a squared, a times b is ab, and then b times b is b squared. So we then need to take the terms out and simplify. So we've got a squared, we've got 2 ab's, and then we've got b squared at the end, like that. Jobs again for question 1. Question 2, we want to do minus 3ab times a squared plus 2ab. So, again, if you like to use the table, use the table. I'm not going to use whichever method you find easiest. So, we only need to do 2 multiplications here. So, minus 3ab times a squared is going to give us minus 3a cubed b, and then minus 3ab times 2ab. Well, quite a few things are going to happen there. We've got minus 3 times 2, so we get minus 6. We've got a times a, which is a squared. And then we've got b times b, which is going to give us b squared. Jobs again for question 2. Okay, question 3. Probably a job for a table again. We're doing ab plus cd times ac plus bd. Good times. Okay, so can I use a table? So I'm going to put a, b plus cd across the top, and I'm going to put ac plus bd down the side. Okay, now that ac times ab is going to give us a squared bc. I like that. Top right. AC times CD is going to give us a C squared D. Bottom left, BD times AB is going to give us a B squared D. And then bottom right, BD times CD is going to give us B, C, D squared. So we then just need to pull in each term out of the table. We can't do any simplifying. So we've got a squared B, C plus a C squared D plus AB squared D plus BCD squared. Lovely. Oh, that fun. Good times. Question 4. 3 minus 2x all squared. So again, remember, this is saying 3 minus 2x times 3 minus 2x. So, it's quadratic expansion. I think we'll use a table for this guy. Remember, you don't have to use a table. You can if you want to. I think it's the clearest way to set things up. So, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times minus 2x is minus 6x. Minus 2x times minus 2x is positive 4x squared. So, we're going to get 4x squared minus 12x and then plus 9. So, really now we're at A level, we're always going to want to be writing our expressions in descending powers of x. So that means we start with the highest power of x and then work down. So even though that's not really the order we did the expansions in, the multiplications, that really is how we should write the answer. Question 5, we're doing x minus 2 times x squared minus 3x plus 1. Again here, I would use a table. So let's do that. Now we're going to be seeing a lot of things like this in the next chapter, quadratics and cubics. So being able to do this sort of thing is really, really useful. So, x minus 2 down the side, x squared minus 3x plus 1 across the top. So we've got 6 multiplications to do. X times x squared is x cubed. 2 times x squared, minus 2 times x squared is minus 2x squared. X times minus 3x is minus 3x squared. Minus 2 times minus 3x, positive 6x. X times 1 is 1x. And then minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. So, now we just need to pull things out of the table and simplify. So, we've got 1x cubed. Then we've got minus 3x squared minus 2x squared, which is minus 5x squared. Can you see how the table organises like terms diagonally from each other? Really, really useful. So then we've got 6x add 1x, so that's these two terms, so that's 7x, and then we got minus 2 at the end. Lovely jubbly. Okay, question 6, what a beauty. We want to do 5 plus x plus y times 1 minus x minus y. So, we've got 9 multiplications to do here. Use a table. So, table is going to look something like that. So, let's put 5 plus x plus y down the side, and then 1 minus x minus y across the top. So, 5 times 1, I think that's 5 good times. X times 1 is x, y times 1 is y. That was alright. 5 times minus x is minus 5x. X times minus x is minus x squared. Y times minus x is minus x, y. And we've got 5 times minus y is minus 5y. X times minus y is minus xy. And then y times minus y is minus y squared. Good times. So, now we need to simplify all that. So, let's be very careful then. We've got 5. Good times. So we can get rid of him. Then we've got, let's see, let's go for squares. So we've got minus x squared. With this sort of thing, it doesn't really matter what order we write the answer in, because we're not in terms of a single letter. So, we've got a minus x squared. Is that the only x squared we've got? Yes, it is. So we've got minus x squared. Cross that out. We've got minus y squared. Can cross that out. Good times. Then we've got minus 5x, but positive 1x. So minus 5x plus 1x is minus 4x. So that takes care of this guy and this guy. We've got minus 5y plus 1y. So we've got minus 4y. That takes care of this guy and this guy. Then we've just got 2 and minus xy's. So at the end we've got minus 2xy, which takes care of this guy and this guy. So there we go. There's that lovely expansion. Personally, I think that'll look better in factorised form. But we've expanded it. Jobs are good. Okay, question 7, the final question for this video. We want to expand 4x cubed y minus 3z times 4x cubed y plus 3z. So, this looks pretty scary, doesn't it? However, it's a special kind of thing. It's a difference of 2 squares. If we said 4x cubed y was a, then we got an a there and an a there. Then, if we said 3z was b, we've got minus b there, plus b there. So, it's indeed a difference of 2 squares. So, difference of 2 squares, hopefully you've watched the video, expands to a squared minus b squared. So these are really good to be able to spot. So this tells us that we're going to get 4x cubed y squared minus 3z squared. So 4x cubed y squared is 16x to the power of 6 y squared, and then we got minus 3z all squared is 9z squared, like that. So being able to spot difference of 2 squares is really, really useful. Okay guys, that's it for expanding brackets. Hope you found this useful. Next up, we're going to be looking at factorising, so putting stuff back into brackets. Good times, see you there.